How to turn off dark mode. Are you guys facing issues to turn off dark mode in WhatsApp business application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To turn off dark mode in WhatsApp, first of all, open WhatsApp business application on a mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply look at the top right corner of your screen, where you can see this three dot icon. Tap on it. After you click on it, select settings. Once you click on settings, you can see multiple options over here. Now just simply look at the option called chats, theme, wallpaper and chat history. Click on it. After you click on it, you will be forwarded to this page. Now select the first option, theme. After you select it, select light mode and click on OK. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to turn on dark mode or turn off dark mode in WhatsApp business application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.